I'm Suzanne Sands, and I'm currently serving as the chair of the Lake Forest High School Foundation. On behalf of our Board of Trustees and grant recipients, I'd like to thank all of those of you who made a donation to the foundation during registration this summer. The foundation is dedicated to supporting, enriching, and enhancing the Lake Forest High School experience for all students, faculty, and staff by investing in educational excellence. Since our founding in 2002, we have awarded more than 300 grants, investing over $2.5 million in educational excellence. Over the years, grants have provided cutting-edge technology, world-class resources, unique learning experiences, and professional development opportunities while encouraging innovation across the curriculum. We support every department, from applied technology and art to science, wellness, and world language. In recent years, grants have turned classrooms into spaces that mirror professional environments and provide students with opportunities to gain real-world experiences across a variety of disciplines. Additional grants have contributed to the reimagined classrooms, which allow for increased student engagement and collaboration, while giving teachers the flexibility to provide more student-centered learning experiences. Many of the technology grants we've provided over the years are currently being used for remote learning. In addition to funding grants, we have partnered with LFHS since 2014 to support the Business Incubator. This dynamic program offers juniors the opportunity to become true entrepreneurs by creating and developing their own product or service. They are coached and mentored by local entrepreneurs and business experts. We solicit and organize all the volunteers that serve this program. The culminating experience is Pitch Night, a Shark Tank-style event we host annually where select teams have the opportunity to present their innovative ideas for the chance to earn prize money and attract investors. The impact the foundation has at the high school is only possible thanks to the generosity of our community. We rely on annual donations, sponsorships, and in-kind donations to raise the funds necessary to provide these transformative grants. If you haven't donated yet this year, please visit our website at lfhsfoundation.org to do so. While there, you can learn more about the specific grants that have been awarded over the years. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and/or Twitter to stay in the know about our grants and upcoming events. Anyone interested in getting more involved should contact us through our website or by emailing me at lfhsfoundation@gmail.com. We hope your students have a fantastic year at LFHS and benefit from the many grants we've provided together